Alrighty, so we're here. Alpine Golf. Let's do this. I think we got. I'm not sure. Man, this is gonna be cool. It's gonna be cool. It's been like 8 years, no, maybe like 6 years since I played mini golf. It's gonna be insanely awesome. Scoop, Steak Room, Ice Cream, Miniature Golf Open.
You want to try this one? It may be too tall, but you can try it. Well, that might be alright. It's alright. For you, yeah. It should be about to your hip or to your waist. So, you want to try a shorter one and see what you think? Okay. What do you think about it? You like that better? Alright, you know what you like better.
Alright.
Okay. Alright, Granddaddy. Here, should you pick up? Yes, okay. Yes,
I would like to play miniature golf.
Sure. One adult, it's, are you 12?
Unfortunately.
Yes, unfortunately it's going to have to be an adult for you. $9.
Oh, I'm 12.
Alright, and yours will be $8.
Ooh, I got $8. Because I'm 12.
This right here, y'all, is your practice green, and number 1 is over here to the right. Okay, thank you. Baby, go ahead and pick up your color ball that you like.
So he's $10.
I already gave her one.
We didn't get one.
Yes, sir, it does
Oh,
4.
she got it?
It does 4, You put 4 in on there.
I'm picking out
They're
hot
going to do
pink.
2 different teams.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
Boys and the girls.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Just look at it.
I'm sorry.
That's alright. I get orange.
I get blue.
I think I'm going to get purple.
Alright, yours is
Purple.
You're going to need a tall one, because you got some legs on your son. Everybody pick out the color ball that you want. Okay.
Let's see.
Alice, you want me to hold your money?
Yes, please.
Yep, this is the one I'm going to
I
get.
figured you would. You got some legs on there.
Let's see. Yeah. Wait, I would like a scorecard too. Wait, oh wait.
Okay, that's fine.
Alright.
For us.
Yeah, right now, go.
Alright. Okay.